Hi, I'm Brittany Smith, the Assistant Director and Manager of Adult Services at the Westmont Public Library, and today's Take and Make craft kit is a do-it-yourself potpourri pouch. So in your craft kit, if you pick it up at the library, you're going to find two things. The first is an arrangement of dried flowers in a little sachet pouch, and the second is going to be your essential oil mister that is also mixed with water. So there's two different scents that we're providing. There's lemon and then there's rose. So this is going to be a super easy, two-step, I guess 2.5 we'll call it, step process. So the first is you're going to want to shake up your essential oil mixture because your oil and your water are going to separate, and so you're going to want to try to get them as mixed as possible. Then you're going to take your flowers and you are going to take them out of the pouch and spread them out. Then you're going to take your mister and you are going to mist the dried flowers to kind of the level of smell you would like it to have. So if you want a stronger scent, you're gonna want to spray more. If you want it to be a little bit of a lighter scent, definitely just give it a small spray. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a light mist as my stuff flies everywhere. And what you're gonna do is you're going to let that dry. Once this is dry, you're gonna put it back into your pouch because now it is ready to go. Now, the great thing about this is you can continually refresh it. So if you stop smelling it or if you think it needs a little bit more, you can take your spray bottle back out, take out your dried flowers, respray them again and put them back in. And so you can just continually do this. You can also do it in larger quantities if you wanted to, or multiples. So definitely come pick up your kit at the Westmont Public Library to be able to make this. But if you would just like to purchase your own supplies, I'll put some sample supplies below in the description so that you have that all of that information. Thanks for tuning in and have a great rest of your day.